Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Halal Talk Show, your trusted source for halal food and product reviews. Today's review is about Alibaba Halal Market, a popular grocery and meat market known for its wide range of halal products. The question we're addressing is it truly halal? Alibaba Halal Market offers a variety of products, including fresh chicken, beef, lamb, spices, packaged foods, frozen meals, and ready-to-eat items. Many customers visit for the convenience of finding a full range of halal-certified products under one roof. Now, let's talk about the halal status. The market claims that all meat and poultry products are halal certified, sourced from reputable halal suppliers. Many branches are Muslim-owned, which adds credibility to their halal practices. Customer feedback from the Muslim community generally confirms that the products follow proper halal guidelines. However, caution is always advised. Some items may not have clear halal certification on packaging, and practices can vary between branches. As Muslims, it's our responsibility to verify by checking labels and asking staff about halal certification before purchasing. So the verdict: Alibaba Halal Market is generally halal, but always check certifications and labels to ensure that each product meets halal standards. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you shopped at Alibaba Halal Market? Did you find clear halal certification? And what products do you recommend? Share your experiences in the comments below to help the community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Halal Talk Show for more halal reviews and guidance every week. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.